Welcome back, everybody. Today we're diving into a foundational concept in JavaScript programming, arrays. By the end of this video, you'll understand what arrays are, how to create them, and some basic methods to work with them. So let's get started. What is an array? Well, an array is a special variable in JavaScript that allows you to store multiple values in a single variable. Think of it as a list or a collection where you can keep items like numbers, strings, or even other arrays. The beauty of arrays is that they can hold a mix of data types, unlike some other programming languages. Here's an example. Let fruits equals. Inside the square brackets, we can pass any value to this. Apple, banana, orange. Now let's display them. Console.log, fruits. As you can see in the console, it returns the list of items we passed to the fruits array. There are a few different ways to create arrays in JavaScript. The most common way is by using square brackets, like we just saw. You can also create an array using the array constructor. Let numbers equals new array. Let's pass the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's display it. Console.log, numbers. As you can see, it returns the list of numbers we have passed. Now that we've created arrays, let's see how we can access and modify the elements inside them. Arrays in JavaScript are zero-indexed, which means the first element has an index of 0. Here I have an array named cars containing some car brands. If I want to access the second element of this array, I can write console.log cars inside the square brackets 1. Remember, index always starts at 0, so for index 1, it will return the second element. As you can see, it returns Toyota. Let's modify some elements. Cars at index of 2 equals, let's say, Tesla. Let's display the array console.log cars. As you can see, it changed Ford to Tesla. Similarly, you can also modify the other elements or access them. And that's it for today. Arrays are an incredibly powerful and versatile tool in JavaScript, and you'll find yourself using them all the time in your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.